Good evening. Welcome to Dad Bod Trading, and we're going to review our trades today. So first off, we're going to get right into it. First trade of the day was KMB, and I have it up on the screen here. Let's switch over to our main screen. That way you can see all the volume and everything. So this ticker was interesting. This was on the scans because it was down. It was a nice gap down. Unfortunately, it did not continue to gap down. You always run a risk of bouncing off of support, which is exactly what it did at 130. And we were hoping for the break of 131. That was pretty significant in pre-market. Unfortunately, it did break 131 and got down to 130.57, looks like. Unfortunately, that was the last time it touched that level. It kept on going. So we were wanting it to break down, and it didn't. So my entry was right. Oopsie, that wasn't what I wanted to do. Entry was right here at the break of 131. Now, my exit actually ended up being right here. Originally, my stop was the high of the day right here. And we breached that, and it jacked up really quickly. Um, okay, let me rewind a little bit. So we got our entry here. We actually got a decent price. We got it for 135, and the spread all of a sudden became really horrible. And I come to find out later that there was hardly any volume. Let's go back over here to, yeah, here we go. So we were doing the 131s, and there was literally just only a couple hundred volume on that. The open interest in the volume was abysmal. And that's why the spread instantaneously went from 135 to 50, like right here. And it stayed there. Like it didn't actually go down all that much when it went up to here. So I actually gave it a little bit of time because the greater market was, let's see here. Yeah, the greater market was hitting up against, there we go on the bottom right there. You can see greater market was hitting up against resistance. So I thought, okay, if the market fades, we could get a follow through fade here, do a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern, you know. That didn't happen. So I actually went to double the position here at the top of this little channel and accidentally sold it. Got a fill right there. And that turned out to be, it turned out to be okay. I would have exited at the break of this channel because the market, yeah, it just wasn't doing what I wanted to. Anyway, I had enough wisdom to not get back into it once I was out. Looking back at it, though, the lesson I want to learn from this is look at the volume, look at the open interest on the options. It has to be in the thousands, otherwise, bad things can happen really fast. So, no sense in crying over spilled milk. NIO. Okay, so this here was, I believe I got in at, let me see here. Yeah, I think it was around here. Was my entry. Bounce off of VWAP. Tesla was hitting its high of the day, and I thought there's a good chance of it bouncing, and I covered it right here into basically this support area right here. So that was a quick little trade that kind of bopped my confidence back up, got me back into action, And then I was searching around for another good play, noticed that Microsoft was channeling, and ended up getting, let's see here. What was it? Hang on a second. Let me look back and see. Need to go here. I want to see the chat here. Where's the chat? I need to see. I want to see where I got in at. Does it save the chat? Where's the chat go? No. Well, I thought. I thought that I would be able to view the live chat later on. Maybe not. Anyway, now this is bothering me. Let me see here. Mini player settings, annotations. Well, I'll figure that out later. Anyway, got the break here on Microsoft. Was it Microsoft? Yeah, it was Microsoft. I think it was two. Wait a minute. Okay, now I'm second guessing myself. Hang on. So we were at there. What time was that? 9:10. 9:10. That doesn't make any sense. Am I on the same one? Yeah. Oh, on the right day? Oh, that wasn't the right day. That's why. I'm like, what? What's going on here? Okay, yeah. All right. Break of 300 was my entry, and I exited right here at the bottom. Really quick trade, and that basically made back most of uh, my losses. So that was really nice, and um, got my confidence back. Didn't trade anymore in the morning. This ended up channeling, going up, coming down, all that good stuff. So yeah, it was a good day, and hey, it was a good day, I think. Had some ups and downs, but on the whole, I think we did good. So thanks for spending some time with me here, reviewing the day. Hopefully, we can all keep learning and getting better every day. Oh, I should mention on Microsoft, somebody pointed out to me that better entries would have been here and here. That those would have been better entries. So basically, channel trading. And then taking you see you have a lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, and then confirmation of the breakdown is here. So, yeah, but I felt good about where we were at there. So, anyway, have a good night, everybody, and I will talk to you in the morning. Have a fantastic night. See you tomorrow, bright and early.